Hello and welcome to my Glinda makeup tutorial. Look at these glorious kiss nails I found in Emerald City. I'm wearing Shouldn't This Be Pinker? We're rewriting your face's autobiography right now. These brows, a blank page. I'm covering half my eyebrows. Watch my how to cover eyebrows video for the full tutorial. Let's continue with moisturizer. After all, how can you be gloriously good if your skin is feeling wickedly dry? Next, I'm using Mercier Secret Camouflage under my eyes and Jouer High Coverage Cream Foundation. Think of your foundation as your magical barrier against haters, bad lighting, and emotional trauma. It's not vanity, it's preparation for popularity. There is a difference. To lighten my eyebrows, I use DermaColor Camouflage Cream in shade D3.5. I paint it onto a spoolie and brush it through my brows. Using Urban Decay Brow Blade in Taupe Trap, I draw new eyebrow hairs, straight and slightly square at the start. Your brows must be elegant and slightly judgmental, like I support you, but I also know better. That's the vibe. I'm using this light eyeshadow over the top for a warmer tone. After applying P. Louise eyeshadow base on my lid, I go in with a pale eyeshadow on my brow bone and mobile lid. Then I sweep a pink shade through my crease like a sunrise over the Emerald City. Green belongs to Elfie, not on my eyelids. Now I'm tracing my eyes with black eyeliner and smudging it slightly, just enough to make it less severe. Then I use a dark brown eyeshadow to lift the outer corner. Next, I go in with a black gel eyeliner. You want it sharp, like Elfie's hat, but way more socially acceptable. Finish by blending a dark eyeshadow along the lower outer lash line. All products are listed in the description below. After mascara, I'm using GlamLite Paint Lashes in orange. Elfie may be able to give wings to monkeys, but I can fly even higher when I flutter with these lashes. For contour, I'm shaping my face like Ariana Grande's, because why not be good and dangerous? Highlight those cheekbones and glow like a bubble in sunlight. I contour the sides of my nose to make it narrower, then use MAC eyebrow pencil in lingering for precision, painting under the nose and adding a small line above the tip, just like Ariana. Blend it out and don't forget a little shimmer on the bridge and the tip of your nose. For lips, I overdraw with MAC lip pencil in Dervish to match Ariana's shape. Then use the lingering pencil again to create natural looking shadows in the corner of the mouth and below the lower lip. Elfie has her spells. I have this lip gloss. Both are unreasonably powerful. I'm using Oh My Gloss in Brilliant by Rimmel. And there you have it! You're officially ready to be popular and dazzle your fellow Aussians. Bye!